Page 164, Worried Man Blues. We get another lead sheet. This is going to be in the key of D major now. So again, with any lead sheet, you get the melody and the chords. So first, make sure you can play the melody okay. At the beginning, it's pickup beat. 4, 1 and 2, and move your third finger up. So it's 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Then thumb. Now they want you to come down the third finger on. We're just moving around a little bit. Just so we can play it legato. So forth. Let's go down to measure 12. You're here. 1, 2, 3. Then crunch up thumb. That's it. So you get the melody, and once you can do that, then we can see what we can do with a harmony. Well, first make sure you know what the chords are. Well, we have a D chord at the beginning. We don't have anything second line, and then there's a G chord. It's like a 4 chord. A D chord again. In the last line, it's an A chord, which would be here. Just come down. Keep the A, just come down. See, the A chord is here. I'm just putting the A on top. And then a D chord. Okay. And then try it together and see what it sounds like. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go down the last line. Start with measure 14. Let's get into it. You're here. Then A. Okay. Now once you got the chords figured out, now we can try different patterns. You don't have to play all whole notes. You can play broken chords, and the broken chord pattern you play is entirely up to you. It's just whatever. So. It's a little old after a while, but you can do it for a few little bit. I mean, you don't have to keep the same pattern throughout. Just try things out and see what they think of. Or I can do there's 4 notes if I go up and down. So just try that and see how that works. On page 165, they give you some ideas and patterns. They say go down here. That's fine. We can do it all down here. I just have a habit. It's up to you on where you do it. If you want to do it down here. And they're saying just do this for the D. I recommend a 2 if you're going to do that. 2, 1. Here. And for the G, it's same thing. And then for the A, they go here. Or here and here. If you want to keep your hand out here, then it's a 1 and a 2 here. You have to switch them. Well, so try that pattern and see what you think. On half notes. Okay, and then lower on down, they give you a different rhythm. It's the quarter notes. So forth. You want to play it on a more blues style, then swing those 8th notes. There's not very many of them, but the counting is, it isn't 1 and 2 and, it's 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. And then when you get down to the bottom with the 8th notes on measure 13, there's swung there. long, short, ba-da, you feel it. And whatever, that's more of a swinging style. You can add some eighth notes to the left hand if you want. Switch it. Don't use the same rhythm throughout the whole thing. Just switch it around and try different things out. For one phrase, do one rhythm. For another phrase, do a different rhythm. Switch it up however you want to do it. It's up to you and your imagination. As long as it sounds okay, it's okay.